What if I told you you can create over 100 AI videos without paying anything? No subscription, no watermark, no editing stress. Sounds like one of those too good to be true things, right? Yeah, I thought the same thing. But after testing it step by step, I realized something crazy. This actually works. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it from start to finish using completely free tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a full AI-generated short video ready to upload and a system you can repeat again and again. We're not just testing tools here, we're building a content machine. And yes, we're even going to model a viral channel doing this already.
So here's the idea. Instead of creating videos one by one, we're going to write one story, turn it into multiple scenes, and let AI generate everything automatically. Think of it like this. You plant one seed and it grows into 20+ videos. Sounds lazy? Good, because that's the point. Now before we jump in, I'll be honest with you, the setup part, it's a little bit tricky. Not hard, just easy to mess up if you skip steps. So don't rush this part, because once everything is set up properly, the rest becomes fast. Like make videos while eating snacks fast. First thing you need to do, go to Google and search for a Chrome extension that connects with Meta AI. Install it, open it, and log in. Important, you can't just use any email. You need to log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Yeah, I know, Meta wants to know everything about us. But once you're inside, you'll see options to generate videos. Now you'll see two main options, image to video and text to video. We're choosing text to video because we want to create full stories, not just random clips. This is where things start getting interesting. Now let's create our story. Go to ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPTs. Inside the search box, type Free AI Story Generators and hit Search. The very first result you'll see, click on that. Now click on Start Chat and type something simple like write a short English story about an eagle, or a lion, or a kid, or anything you want. You can choose motivational, sad, inspirational, whatever fits your channel. And boom, your story is ready. Now here's the smart part. We're not using the story directly, we're turning it into video prompts for animation. So go back to the same chat and say, turn this story into scene-by-scene prompts for animation. Make sure each line is short. If one line is too long, split it, because each line equals one video scene. Think of it like building a movie, one shot at a time. Now, once all prompts are ready, ask the AI to arrange everything in order and format it as a text file. This is very important because we're about to generate videos in bulk, and if things are messy, everything breaks. Now copy all your prompts, open the tool again, and paste everything at once. Then click Start, and this is where the magic happens. The system will generate multiple videos per prompt, download them automatically, move to the next prompt, repeat the process. So instead of making one video, you're creating a full sequence automatically. This is what I call let the AI do the boring work mode. Now, while that's running, let's create the voiceover. Go to a free AI voice generator tool. Paste your full story, choose a voice, and click Generate. That's it. No limits, no credits, just pure AI talking for you. Honestly, at this point, you're basically the director of a movie you didn't even act in. Now everything is ready. Video clips, check. Voiceover, check. Next step, combine them. Open CapCut. Import all your clips and audio. Drag the voiceover first, then place the video clips in order matching the story. Take your time here. This part is manual, but honestly, it takes like 10 minutes max, and it gives you way better control.
Now, let's make it look good. Add captions, auto-generate, choose a clean style. Then add light effects, simple transitions. Don't overdo it. You're not making a Marvel movie. Keep it clean and engaging. And just like that, you now have a full AI-generated video.
High above a quiet valley, an old eagle named Aaron rode the morning wind. His wings were scarred from storms and seasons, but they still carried him with steady grace. Below him, rivers curved like silver threads, and forests breathed in shades of green.
Story, visuals, voice. All done without spending money. And the best part, you can repeat this process again and again. Now listen, this method works, but don't just copy blindly. If you want results, stay consistent, improve your stories, and make your videos better over time. Because tools don't make money, smart creators do. So, go try this out. And if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll show you even better strategies next.